Hey Craft-Bilt lovers, it's Bart here from Craft-Bilt. Today we're coming to you from the Ottawa region, where this homeowner built a stunning cedar structure, 12 feet wide by 20 feet long. Let's have a closer look. For the roof of this structure, they chose our Skyview Low Profile system. This system features polycarbonate multi-wall sheets. We'll supply some links below the video. For the window openings, they selected our Craft-Bilt 4-track stacking windows. And again, we'll have links under the video. Have a look above the fireplace for a bit of Canadiana. That tragically hip plaque really adds the final touch, don't you think?